A very good morning, class. Today we will be completing 2.2 of fractions, right? And we have to start from question number 8. Please read the question for me.
In a class of 50 students, 1 upon 5 are the members of drama club, 1 upon 10 are the members of debating society, and the remaining children are the members of either mathematics club or science club. A. How many students are the members of first drama club?
Means the total is given in the form of numbers and the rest data is given in the form of fractions, but they are asking both numbers and fractions. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start.
Yes,
So there, how total number of students are there in the class? How many?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
50.
50.
Ma'am, 50.
Okay, 50. And what does the word 1 by 5 means? If we have to talk about in reference, if I have to talk in reference of 50, what does this 1 by 5 means?
Ma'am, 10 students.
Means I am saying in fraction, what does this means? I don't want the answer. Don't and never
Ma'am,
give me the answer directly. In
Ma'am,
neither in this exam.
Ma'am,
Wait.
1.5 into 50.
One thing remember, never give me answers directly in the exam also. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In the exams also never give me answers directly. Otherwise, you will be only at the loss. I will be cutting half marks. Half marks does mean 1 by half too. Half means 50% of the marks if the steps are missing. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
50% of the marks will be deducted. So do not try to be smart enough with me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट कैलकुलेशंस की बात मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ. मिनिमम स्टेप्स कुछ किसी क्वेश्चन में जरूरत होते हैं, राइट? जैसे इक्वेशन फॉर्मेशन, राइट? ये सब आपके होने चाहिए. कैलकुलेशंस की बात मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ, लेकिन मिनिमम इक्वेशन फॉर्मेशन के कुछ स्टेप्स तो होते हैं, वो होने चाहिए. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. Please switch off your cameras, otherwise the students seeing with the mobile cannot see. Please. Okay. So I'm continuing. So total students are equals to 50. That means drama club means 1 by 5 of 50. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That means 1 by 5 multiplied by 50, and that gives us
Ma'am, 10.
10. Now, second part says debating society. So again, debating society is 1 by 10 of 5. Yes or no? 50.
Yes, ma'am.
1 by 10 of 50 means 1 by 10 into 50.
Ma'am, 5.
Ma'am, 5.
Ma'am, 5.
This much was clear. But in the second part, they said what fraction of total number of students are the members of the mathematics or science club. That means in terms of fraction, 50 will be equivalent to what? In terms of fraction, 50 will be equivalent to what? See, 50 this whole class means 50. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Out
Yes,
of
ma'am.
which
Yes.
1 by 5 is drama club and 1 by 10 is debating club. That means 50 means 1. Yes or no? 50 in terms of equivalent to 1 or not? 50
Yes,
the whole
ma'am.
number is equivalent to 1 or not? 1 के बराबर है या नहीं एक whole चीज?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I will write that fraction of students in mathematics and science, sorry for the spelling of science, is 1 minus bracket 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10. Will I be wrong?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So first we will be solving the bracket. That is 1 minus in bracket. I hope you have understood what I have done. or should I explain how the calculation have came?
Ma'am, please explain.
Ma'am, please explain.
Just solve the two brackets addition, done the addition of brackets. The LCM was 10, 5, 2 ka 10 and 2 multiplied by 1 is how much? 2.
Ma'am, 2.
So 2 written. Then 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 and 1 multiplied by 1 is how much?
Ma'am, 1.
Ma'am, 1.
Ma'am, 1.
So, understood what I was talking about calculation. This
Yes,
can be done directly. I will be not deducting, but writing simply giving the fraction of students and answer will be deducting. मेरी बात समझ में आई? कहाँ मैं मार्क्स काटूंगी, कहाँ नहीं काटूंगी? जैसा
Yes, ma'am.
आपने स्टेटमेंट का इक्वल टू 5 बोल दिया, 5 आया कहाँ से? You have to show. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in every question there are minimum steps required. Minimum कुछ तो steps होते हैं. वो आपको बता दीजिए. So that is 1 minus 3 by 10. Again we have to solve it. So 10 minus 3. I hope you have understood now how it came. Or should I have to explain this also?
Yes, ma'am.
Explain.
Ma'am, understood.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Understood. So its answer is 7 by 10. The answer is 7 by 10. Is the question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Read the 9th one.
A book consists of 550 pages. Preeti has read 4/5 of the book. How many pages has she read?
That means total pages, number of pages are 550. And Preeti has read 4 by 5 of the books, means 4 by 5 of 550. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So number of pages read is 4 by 5 multiplied by 550.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So what should be
Yes,
the answer?
ma'am.
First calculate it. What should be the answer? Okay, one more my question. First the reduction should be there or first multiplication should be there?
Ma'am, reduction.
Ma'am, reduction should be there.
So 4 into 110, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And that is 440 pages.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
True?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I hope you have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Should I move ahead or wait?
Ma'am, move ahead.
Ma'am, move.
Move ahead.
Okay.
Move.
Now, what is 11th one? I missed the question. Please read.
Ma'am, 10th one.
Arman
10th one. Sorry. Yes, please. 10th one.
Mohan covers a distance of 7 whole 1/3 kilometer
70.
in one
It's 70. Beta, it's 70.
70 whole 1/3 kilometer in 1 hour by car. How much distance will he cover in 6 hours?
Simple multiplication question. Yes or no? KG
Yes,
wala
ma'am.
question. Nursery KG wala question. Right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Distance
yes,
covered
ma'am.
in 1 hour is 71 by 3 kilometer. Right? So distance
Yes,
covered
ma'am.
in 6 hours will be 6 into 71 by 3. So what should be the next
yes,
step? After this, what should be the
Ma'am,
next
we
step?
have to, ma'am, we have to
Improper
convert the
fraction.
mixed fraction into improper fraction.
into improper
So how
fraction.
much it is? How much it will be? How much it will be?
Ma'am, 211/3.
Okay. 6 into 211 upon 3. Now next step.
Ma'am, reduction.
Reduction. So
Yes,
we will cancel, means denominator will be 1 and only numerator will be left. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we
Yes,
got
ma'am.
2 into 6, 211. And the final answer is easy.
Ma'am, 422.
422 kilometers. Units are must. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
देखो
ma'am.
पूरे वर्किंग में यूनिट्स ना लिखो नो प्रॉब्लम, लेकिन एंड में यूनिट जरूर लिख दिया करो. वेयर द यूनिट राइटिंग इज मस्ट, वेयर यू आर डिक्लेयरिंग दैट दिस इज व्हाट, दैट इज व्हाट, जैसे मैंने क्या किया, राइट?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
clear?
Yes,
and the
ma'am.
final answer should have unit. बाकी जगह अगर भूल भी जाओ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, मार्क्स नहीं डिडक्ट होते, लेकिन वेर यू आर डिक्लेयरिंग, इट्स द डिक्लेरेशन, द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज अ डिक्लेरेशन स्टेटमेंट और नॉट? यस और नो?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो डिक्लेरेशन स्टेटमेंट्स में और जो फाइनल आंसर होता है उसमें प्लीज यूनिट्स भूलना नहीं, ये तो मार्क्स डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि यू आर नॉट इन क्लास 6 की गलती से हो गया। क्लास 6 में गलती नहीं, 7th में चलो नहीं पता या गलती हो गया ये होगा, और 7th में क्या हुआ, नहीं किया, जानबूझ के गलती की है, राइट?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
6 में होता है कि पता नहीं था इसलिए नहीं लिखा, चलो मार्क्स पता नहीं होगा, बच्चा छोटा है, लेकिन 7th में ये चीज आपके साथ नहीं होगी, राइट और रॉन्ग?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
11th one.
Arman spends 4/5 of his income on household expenses. His monthly income is rupees 20,000. How much does he save every month?
Okay, that means his total income per month is
20,000.
20,000, and his expenditure per month is 4/5 of 20,000. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem? Any problem from
No,
your
ma'am.
side? Okay.
No,
So
ma'am.
how much is his expenditure? His expenditure is how much? Please give me the answer now. I hope you know the working. I'm not showing you the working. You will be giving me the answer directly now. And you will be doing the working in your classwork copies. Okay? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what's the answer?
Ma'am, 4/5 into 20,000.
Okay. What's the answer then?
Ma'am, 4 into 4,000.
Ma'am, 5 divided by 20,000.
So the final answer is
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
16,000.
8,000. Ma'am, 16,000.
16,000. Now
16,000.
16,000 was his expenditure. See, saving means what? How can we get saving? What is the formula for saving? Want to answer, then you speak. Use your speaker. तो सर अगर आंसर पूछना हो तो करो. Okay. What is the formula for savings? Who want to give me the answer? And the person who wants to give the answer only will switch on speaker. Yes.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I?
20,000 minus
I
16,000.
want
Ma'am,
the
may-
answer. I
Ma'am,
want
may
the
I?
formula. Again and again I am saying.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, total money minus expenditure.
It's not total money. It's called as income.
Okay, ma'am.
So it will be saving equals to income minus expenditure is the standard formula. I hope you have understood, not direct working. Again and I am saying again, you have to write some required steps for your before writing your answers. You are not in class 6 now. That bachcha hai chhod do. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
अब आप
ma'am.
बच्चे नहीं हो या पहली बार नहीं कर रहे हो. So it will be saving equals to income minus expenditure. So what now you can feed the values. Income was 20,000 and expenditure was 16,000, and that is equal to rupees 4,000. One thing again you can observe what I have done. Units while declaring I have mentioned. Right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now last one, but this okay. 12th one.
Find the area of a rectangular garden which is 30 whole 2/7 meter long and 25 meter wide.
What is the formula of an, if the length is 32/7 and area is 25, what is the area of a rectangle?
Ma'am, L into B.
Ma'am, L into
Ma'am,
B.
L into B.
Ma'am, into B.
So next step will be
Ma'am, we have to convert it into an improper
Ma'am.
fraction.
3.
so what is the number? What's the number? Improper number क्या
Ma'am,
होगा?
Ma'am, 212 upon 7.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
212 upon 7.
12 upon 7
212
multiplied
upon
by
7
25.
into
Now reduction is possible?
No, ma'am.
Yes. So what we will
Ma'am.
do?
No,
We will
ma'am.
be simply multiplying it, right or wrong?
Yes,
So on
ma'am.
multiplication, I'm doing it for
yes,
you.
ma'am.
On multiplication, you got 5300 by 7, and the answer will be 757. 1 by 7 square kilometer. SQ stands for square. I hope you have learned this in previous class. When you
Yes,
were
ma'am.
studying
Yes, ma'am.
So square meter. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Now,
Yes,
again,
ma'am.
there's the comparison. Next question.
How much is 2 of 3 upon 16 more bracket or less than 3 of 2 upon 15?
It's a comparison question, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This one is one value, this one is
Yes,
in the LHS I've written one value, in the RHS written one value. Now, so that means 2, 3 by 16, and here
3 into
2 by 15. Now,
Ma'am,
will
3.
we do reduction here?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Why we will do reduction here?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Why not? Think again and tell
Ma'am,
me.
because
What I have told in the previous class, if you have remembered.
ma'am, we have to when we have to compare, ma'am, we have to make two denominators same.
So for that, we need reduction or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
When
ma'am.
the denominators are already same, please do not do the reduction step and directly multiply and compare. But if the denominators are not same, please do the reduction step and then the LCM step. Then the two denominators will be equal and then we can compare. Understood? Here, what's the case? Denominators are same or different? Denominators
Ma'am,
are same.
different.
different.
Different. So
Different.
better we reduce the number, then the LCM will be easily taken out. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
On reduction,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
got 3 by 8 in the LHS and in the RHS 2 by 5. Should I understood? Now, the
Yes,
LCM
ma'am.
of 8 and 5 is what? 40. So in the LHS I got 3 into 5 by 40 and in the RHS I got 2 into 8 by 40. So it will be 8 and 40 and start. Let's unmute yourself. 16 by 40. Yes or no? Now the denominators in both the case same. We can compare them.
yes, ma'am.
So which one is greater? That
Ma'am,
means
3 of 2 by 15.
so the question says how much 2 of 3 by 16 is more or less than 3 by 2 by 15. So 2 of 3 by 16 is less than 3 by 3 of 2 by 15. Yes or no? But now still we have one step is left. By how much? Yes or no? How much will be giving us by addition or difference?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
different.
different.
Difference.
So
Ma'am,
difference
different.
is equal to how much? 16 by 40
Ma'am.
minus 15 by
Ma'am, 1
40.
by 40.
Right,
Ma'am,
because
1
the
upon
things are
40.
same.
Ma'am.
16 minus 15 by 40 will give us
1
1
by 40.
Ma'am,
40.
1 upon 40.
So 1 by 40 less than 3 of 2 by 15. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This was whole about multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Understood? Any confusion till here? Any
No,
confusion
ma'am.
till here?
No, ma'am.
So
No,
let's
ma'am.
start the last part of multiplication, that is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. What? Multiplication of a fraction
By fraction.
by a
By a fraction.
understood?
By a fraction.
What we are going to do?
Yes.
We will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
multiplying fraction by a fraction. So let's see some examples. I have taken here 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. Okay. Now my first step is to see any reduction is possible here or not. Yes or no? Is any reduction possible here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me.
Ma'am, 3.
3 ones are
Ma'am,
3.
Ma'am,
and
3
3
divided by
and
3.
3
Yes,
ones are
ma'am.
3.
Any
And-
further reduction? Any further reduction possible?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
2, ma'am,
Yes,
2
Ma'am,
ma'am.
by
ma'am,
2
ma'am, 2 divided by 2 ones are 1 and 2
Nine.
ones are
2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, right? So what
Four.
I'm left
Yes,
with?
ma'am.
I am left in the denominator as 1 into 1 and in the denominator 2 into 1. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is
Yes,
my
ma'am.
final answer? It's 1 by 2.
Ma'am, 1 upon 2.
Beta, this step is for your showing. I'm showing you. You can do this step or directly write this answer. It's up to you. No marks will be deducted. मेरी बात समझ में आई या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For your convenience, I was showing you what is happening actually. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, let's see
ma'am.
one more example. Here I have taken all the mixed numbers. Okay. So first step will be
Ma'am, converting
I'm
them
converting
into
to improper fraction.
so first one will give me how much? Okay, tell me. First calculate all the three and tell me each number first. Then I will write. सबका improper number पहले calculate कर लो फिर मैं लिखूंगी. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. 65 is
65
upon
65 upon 90.
Second
Upon
is
90.
37
Second,
and
38
last
upon
40 upon
70.
Oh, okay. One person, please, so that I can understand. I cannot understand what you are saying. Please, one person.
May I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, 3 students have said may I. First one is 61 up 60. First one, anyone?
Ma'am, 65 upon 19.
Ma'am, 65 upon 70.
65 upon 19. Second one,
Ma'am, 38
Ma'am,
upon 7.
38 upon 7.
38 upon 7. And last one,
Ma'am, 49 upon
13.
Ma'am, 49 upon 30.
okay, let's check. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what will be the next step? Reduction. So, see, 65 goes by 13, right or wrong? So, 13 ones are 13, 13, 5s are 65. 19 goes with 38. You should know the tables, then only you can do it fast. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38. And 7 is simple, 7 ones are 7 and 7
7s are 49.
49.
Ma'am, 7.
All the new denominators are 1, so no problem. Denominator is over, right or wrong? There is no left number with denominators. But in the numerator, what we are left with? 5, 2 and 7. And how much is? 5 2s are 10 and 10 7s are 70.
Ma'am, 70.
Ma'am, 70.
Final answer. Understood multiplication of a fraction by a fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will not taking the word problems and rest of the types today. If you want, you can do it on yourself at your home. That is 2 point, how much? 3.3, right? No, 2.3, right or wrong? Which one?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
2.3.
So, but from my side only I am giving you, you have to do complete exercise 2.2 and only the first part, because there is 2.2 in your homework, otherwise I have given you the whole exercise. But you are already having 2.2 as your homework. So just do for question number 1, 2.3 all the parts. I know you can do 2, 3, 4 every question now because you have understood the concept, but still I will not give you much homework. So you will be doing understood? Can anyone repeat the homework for today?
Ma'am, we
ma'am.
have to complete exercise 2.2 and we have to do first question of exercise 2.3.
Right. And if you want to do rest further, you can do it because you have understood this method of writing the answers. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In 2.2, we have discussed all the questions, how to attempt it. Right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
You can
ma'am.
do it.
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
already learned all the methods to attempt it. Just you need a revision. Okay? So any queries
Okay, ma'am.
from your side? Any queries from your side?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No? And thank you for conducting the class without any problem. Okay. And thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.